Spray paint is great for wicker as it gets in all the nooks and crannies. I'm going to give this tired looking chair a makeover and I'm going to put it in the garden. So I'm going to use PlastiKote Garden spray paint in this pretty shade of blue. Because it's already been painted before, there's no need to prime it. I'm just going to give it a good clean before I start spraying. Now that I've cleaned the chair and it's all dry, I'm ready to start spraying. I've read the back of the instructions and it says to shake the can for a minute, which I've already done. So I just need to pop the lid off. This is really easy by putting a screwdriver underneath and it comes off. Now I'm ready to start spraying. So now that I've finished spraying it, I really like the colour and I'm really pleased with the coverage. I'm going to let it dry for 24 hours like it says to do on the back of the can, and then it's ready for the garden.